Chapter 9, Exercise 2, Part 1 of 6, Pulley. Create a new file. Select model template. Enter the name Pulley. Store it in c09exr2 Pulley support folder. Create a sketch. Select YZ plane. Draw the profile of the pulley cross section. Select make symmetry with respect to the horizontal line. Okay. Select make equal length. Now start dimensioning. Edit this dimension to 6 mm. Edit this dimension to 15 mm. Edit this dimension to 2.5 mm. Edit this dimension to 10 mm. Edit this angle to 45 degree. This completes our profile for the revolution of pulley cross section. Finish the sketch. Select revolve. By default, the section of the curve is selected. Select the y-axis of the axis of revolution to specify the point. Specify the origin of the sketch. Say OK. Hide the sketch. Right click, orient view to trimetric. Save the file. File close all parts. This completes chapter 9, exercise 2, part 1 of 6, pulley.